So hooray! Welcome back to our channel. So we'll be talking about WH questions. Okay, so these are the question sentences that we are going to use to construct questions. So what are these words that we are going to use? So look at this one. Please read with me. This one we say where, who, what, how, which, when, and why. Okay, so when are we going to use these words in constructing questions? Okay, so for this time, we are going to read the example first, and then later on, I'm going to explain it to you if how are we going to use this one in constructing questions. Okay, let's have the first one here. So please read with me. Let's have this one. You say, who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Okay, next, what? What is your name? What is your name? Next, when? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Where? Where do you live? Where do you live? Next, why? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? How? How is your day? Or how's your day? Okay, so these are the sets of questions that we have read a while ago. So for this time, let's learn when and how are we going to use these words in constructing questions. Let's have the first one here. We have the word who. Who is used to ask about people? Who is used to ask about people? Okay, so for example, who is going to school? Who is going to school? So if you base your answer from the picture here, you would say, the girl is going to school. The girl is going to school. If the name of the girl here is Anna, you'd say, Anna is going to school. All right, next, we have the word here, where. Where is used to ask about places. Where is used to ask about places. So remember, if it's where, it talks about places. Okay? Now let's have the example here. Where are you going? Where are you going? So if that is the picture, you would say, I am going to the toilet. I am going to the toilet. Okay. So next, why is used to ask a reason. Why is used to ask a reason. Why? Why did you leave me? Why did you go there? Why were you absent yesterday? Okay, so we ask a lot of questions because we want to know the reason using the word why. Okay, so let's have the example here. Why do you go to school? Why do you go to school? So probably the reason is I go to school to study and play with my friends. I go to school to study and play with my friends. Okay, so let's have the next one here. When. So when is used to ask for information about what time something happens. When is used to ask for information about what time something happens. Okay, so remember when it talks about time. When it talks about time. Okay, now let's have the example here. When will the class start? When will the class start? So, according to the news, the class will start on the first day of July 2020. Okay, I think it's not the first day, but the class will start on July 2020. Okay, so let's have here the word what. What is used to ask a thing or an action? What is used to ask a thing or an action? Okay, so let's try to see the example. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Okay, so if you base your answer from the photo, you would say, my favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite food is spaghetti. But if your favorite food is tom yum, you would say, my favorite food is tom yum. My favorite food is tom yum. Okay, so that is the what question. Okay, next, we have here the last one. How is used to ask a way, manner, or form. How is used to ask a way, manner, or form. Okay, so let's have the example. How is your quarantine going? How is your quarantine going? So if you base also your answer from the photo, you would say, it's good. I'm doing online classes. It's good. I'm doing online classes. Okay, so please stay safe, study at home, and please watch our videos and please subscribe too. So that ends our lesson for today, and I hope that you learned something and see you again in our next class. Have a good day. Goodbye.